All right, so as we said in the previous video that in this video we're going to see the basic data types in C sharp. Okay, so and here that we have seen in the previous video, we have seen bool, byte, char or char, decimal, double, float, int, long, s byte, s short, unit, u long, and u short. And you're going to see all the aliases in system.NET type name. So and here there is two more which I forgot to mention. So all of them here we can say these ones are simple type, or some folks call it primitive types. And like I said, there are two more in C sharp. The first one is going to be object, and the .NET type name or alias is system dot object. And what is this? This is the base type for all reference and value type, for all reference and value types. So the base type, this is the base type, object is the base type for all reference and value types. And what's the second one is a string. And keep in mind the strings are array of characters, array of these ones. So when you have array of characters called string. And what's that .NET is a system dot string, and a string is UTF-16 code units. So UTF-16, you're gonna see here we have a char or car is UTF-16, and as we said that the strings are array of characters, array of these, so it means it's the same type, and is UTF-16 code units, code unit, UTF-16 code unit. So this guy is here. The object is the base for all reference and the value type. This is the base for all these, and the strings is, which we said the array of characters, is UTF-16 code bit, UTF-16 code bits, or you can say units. Alright, so as we said that there are 7 basic data types. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna analyze this one, and we're gonna divide this all into 7 basic data types. So we can put a basic here, and now we're gonna divide all these in to 7 parts. Okay, so how we're gonna divide? The first part is integral type, the second one type is the floating point types, and the third one is the decimal type, then the char or char type, then we have a bool type, and then we have a string type, and the last one we have a object type. Sorry for typo here, integral type, and not a, there is a typo here, so this is called integral type. So now here we're gonna explain what is the integral type. As we said, byte is number 1, then there is going to be s byte, then we have a short, u short, int, u int, long, u long. This one's the first one's going to be, we're going to divide all these, take all these one by one out the same type, is called integral types. It means they're integral part of any programming languages, just like your fingers, your arm are integral part of your body, or integral part of your arm, same as the integral type. So there's no way you guys can do programming without this. There is no way. Byte, so the 1 byte is 8-bit, is range goes from 0 all the way to 155. So that's 1 byte, which is 8-bit. Then comes in s byte, which is 8-bit, range is minus 128 to 127. Then we have a short, which is 16-bit, and then goes minus 32, 768 to 32 plus 767. And you can look in here with the byte, you guys start from 0 to 255, and s byte, then you guys gonna go minus 128 to plus. And here u short, you guys gonna go 16-bit plus minus 32, 768 to 32 plus 767. So u short then is 16-bit 0 to and here U short means unsigned short is 16-bit 0 to 65535, and then as we said int, which is very very common in programming. You guys going to be using this one all the time for say your sprite, which is unity sprite movement, our your coordinates, our your age, whatever you guys want to use for whichever purpose. This is very commonly used. So it's 32-bit. It goes from -214748364 negative to 2147483 I'm not going to try to pronounce, a huge number. So here u int is unsigned int. It goes from 0, because with unsigned we don't have a negative, to 4294767 so it's a 10 figure. With the long is a huge figure, -9 all these numbers to 9 all these numbers. So that's how the precision it gives you for the long. 3 6 9 12 15 18 19 figure. So it things goes to trillion. And here u long, which is unsigned, if you guys want this one increase the range, you guys can do so with this one. So if you look in here, this one with -9 goes all the way to 9 plus, so 9 9 18. But if you guys want a huge range, and you guys like if you guys want to put a population for statistics or election, whatever you guys want to do, if you guys go for u long, because it gives you a huge number. It gives you 18. So this one gives you from -9 to +9. So I'm not going to pronounce this one. I'm not going to try to read how much it looks like the trillion. So here it goes minus to all the way to 18. So it gives you double on the positive side. On the positive side, it gives you double, from 0 all the way to positive. You guys make sure you guys use a u long if you guys have a huge number. So you're gonna see here, this is an example of you guys gonna put it here, say int age is equal to 30. There is a very very simple innocent example of this, and you guys are gonna be use int age in your game all the time. So that's it about the integral types in C#. In the next video, then we're gonna go on floating point. When you go on decimal, then we're going to go on char or bool and string and object. The main ones is that you guys needs to understand and you guys needs to learn is integral type. So I'm gonna take this one off. That's integral type. They are one of the very very important ones. So as I said in programming, you guys are going to be using all these because they are integral part of the basic data types in C#. So you guys are going to be using this one all the time, and this is the very simple example as you guys are going to be facing when you guys making games or you guys are going to do other stuff with C#. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, Cryowood. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.